This shit that'll work. Okay, so today I have to go to work, and I just curled, like, I just literally curled 2 curls on each side. I curled this one with the one, and this one with the one, this one with the one, this one with the one. Really just curled 2 curls on each side. I try not to apply heat to my hair pretty often, and I literally just curled my hair. I just curled my hair a couple days ago, so I usually try to spread out how often I apply heat to my hair. So since I just curled it 2 days ago, I'll probably not curl it for another day or 2. I'm going to lay my edges, show you how I lay my edges without applying any heat. It's just edge control. It looks a hot fucking mess right now. Hot ass mess over here and a hot ass mess over here. So we got to get it together, because I literally can't go anywhere like this. Like, I'm sure people do it all the time, but not me. So I got to get this together, because this is like a little baby fro. Like, I can pat it and pick it. Like, look. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and then and then that's it. But this is really simple, really easy. Like, it literally takes me a couple seconds to knock this out. Like, it literally takes me a couple seconds. Usually I use Got2b. I used to use Gorilla Glue, but like, it leaves a lot of residue. Like, as the days go by, it builds up, and it just leaves a lot. So I do use it, but very seldomly, because it's a hassle. Like, it leaves a mess after you use it. I usually use the yellow tube of Got2b glue, and this is the brand Got2b. However, this is a putty that I got from the dollar store, and it's the same brand, but this one is a putty. And I go back and forth between the two. I'm just going to use this one today because this is the one I'm taking on the trip. So I just keep using this one, and this one works really good. So yeah, first thing I need to do is part my damn hair, because it look a damn mess right now. All right, so the first thing I do is part my hair. So I'm gonna, whether it be on the side, mostly I wear my hair, as you know, if you follow me or whatever, but I wear my hair with all the color to one side. Mostly, that's mostly how I wear my hair, but sometimes I get tired of that and I'll part it down the middle. So that's what I'm doing this time around. I'm just parting it down the middle. I'm gonna apply a little shea butter oil down the middle of my hair, just because I'm sure it's crusty and rusty. Alright, so I just take a little bit of the putty and put it on my toothbrush. I only use a toothbrush to do my edges. I don't use anything else. All I use is the toothbrush. So I'm just going to take the toothbrush and see how my hair is. I'm going to just push it back and apply the putty sparingly. Just apply it all over before I decide to actually brush it down.
Question. You think your skirt will fit you?
I thought you just said you didn't want to wear the fucking skirt.
I called it a hand-me-down.
What?
I said I called it a hand-me-down.
You damn sure did. Now you asking about it.
You was what?
What?
You said you was what?
Now you asking about it.
I know. Crazy.
Why? You got something to wear with the skirt?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe like a graphic tee. Like, that'd be cute. You know what I'm saying?
Girl, you can get it when you come.
That sounds skeptical. See, I've been girl. Why I had tried on the silver one piece.
What?
I sent you a picture of what I'm talking about. Oh, look on Instagram. So stop biting on my chair.
Hi, Webber.
Biting on the chair. No, we did.
Yes, you did. Oh my God, girl, I'm not gonna play with you, Jessica. I'm not.
I should try it on with mine and see how I'm gonna get a new pair. I'm not gonna wear with that. You think I should try it on with mine?
Jessica, go ahead, try it on and send me a picture. Girl, you is so indecisive.
I am, but I don't know. I just don't want to settle for that. I just feel like.
How's that settling? It's a cute idea. It's a cute outfit. Every time I say something fucking cute, you fucking say how you don't fucking like it. What?
So I'm gonna get the blazer and pants, girl. Now, damn. But I wanted to look for something. Yep.
Girl,
but did you see the picture on
you way too difficult. You a difficult ass customer.
It was.
And ain't paying me. Ain't paying me, but want all my advice.
I ain't buying shit, so I'm not a customer.
You is a customer because you asking me for my expertise, but you are difficult. And I just apply it on how I just applied the first layer on. And I pretty much use the same technique when my hair is curly, except when my hair is curly, it takes better than when it's straight. When it's straight, it likes to, like, when it's getting old, it likes to turn into a fro, but when it's curly, it's curly. So, you know, it's easier. To me, my hair is easier to manage when it's curly because it's just softer and easily manageable. Okay. I like to make my baby hairs in this stage, in this step. And how I do my baby hairs is, let me zoom in. How I do my baby hairs, oh wait. How I do my baby hairs is I pretty much just grab some hair, like here. Grab some hair and brush it down. So I pretty much just hold the hair, most of my hair down with my hand and then brush down what I don't want to slick back. See? You can't really see how much hair it is, but it's a lot of hair. Once I apply some product to it, you'll see it's a lot of hair. So I pretty much just do that all the way around. Alright, so now that we have controlled these edges, I'm just going to tie it down, finish getting ready, and then I'll be back with how it looks after I let it sit for a while. Tie it down because I have time today. And normally if I don't have time, then I won't tie it down. I'll just put on my makeup and be out the door. But I like to tie it down because it gets, though, you see how my hair likes to wave. Because it's naturally curly. So it's just trying to go into its natural form. So with me tying it down, it limits that wave process that it's trying to obtain. So I'm just going to tie it down up at the top.